If you have troubles with Dune Awakening, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you the best ways to prevent this game from crashing and fix the most common errors, bugs or crashes. So if the game is not performing correctly, the first thing you're going to try, I'm going to show you different methods, but the first one is opening the game. Well, we need to open the launcher, and now once you are here, you can launch the game from here, or you have the settings. So if you click there, you can reset the game settings to their default settings. So click right there and you can try again. So in most of the cases, I know this didn't work. So what you can try is right click the game, then go to properties, then go to install files, and right here you can verify the integrity of the game files. So this will basically verify the game files are installed correctly. So you can just click right here and it will start loading, and it should only take a few minutes. You can also try right clicking the game, then go to manage, then browse local files, and you will find the application right here. So if you right click it, you will find the option to run as administrator. So if you do that, it should run with other priorities, and that might fix your issue. And the last thing I'm going to show you is that you can also reinstall the game, but firstly you will need to back up the game files and then uninstall and install it again. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.